Hello, welcome to a tutorial explaining how to use a 1553 repeater. Let us review some important 1553 facts. MIL standard 1553 is dual redundant, which means that a 1553 bus has a separate, independent backup bus for greater reliability. A maximum of 32 remote terminals may be attached to the MIL standard 1553 bus. The maximum permitted length of a bus is 100 meters or 300 feet. 78 ohm terminators must be attached to each end of the bus. There are two ways to attach to the bus, either by direct coupling or transformer coupling. The maximum permitted length for direct coupling is 30 centimeters or 1 foot. The maximum permitted length of the transformer coupled stub is 6 meters or 20 feet. As previously mentioned, the maximum permitted length of a bus is 100 meters or 300 feet. If you wish to extend the length of the bus, you would need to use a bus repeater. For example, if you have an RT on one end of a ship and you wish to connect another RT that is 200 meters away on the other side of the ship, you would use the bus repeater at the end of the 100 meters. The repeater takes the signal and recreates it and then sends it out again to the next 100 meters. As also previously mentioned, the maximum permitted length of a stub is 6 meters or 20 feet. If you wish to extend the length of the stub, you would need to use a stub repeater. You would use the stub repeater at the end of the 6 meters. The repeater takes the signal and recreates it and then sends it out again to the next 6 meters. This follows the same principle as the bus repeater. Now, in a situation where you have one stub available on your bus to connect a device, but you have more than one device to connect, you can use a splitter. The splitter will transform your stub into a bus where you can attach a coupler with more than one stub to attach more than one device. Excalibur has two versions of the 1553 repeater. On the left, you can see the repeater used mostly in the lab environment, and on the right, the 1553 MIL repeater, which has been tested for rugged environments. You may find an assortment of couplers and repeaters and other 1553 accessories at www.1553couplers.com. If you have any questions or comments, you can find our contact information on our website at www.mil-1553.com. Thank you.